Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new on here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a quick 5 minutes get ready with me makeup and hair edition. This is a quick shimmer eyeshadow. I mixed gold and silver shimmers for this. Also, I did a very nude lips. And yeah, that's it. I'm just going to leave it to watch the video. This video is very detailed. It shows what brush to use and the eyeshadow blending process. Also, I've got a detailed lip tutorial with a very quick hairstyling process. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it to watch it now. If you're watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comment down below, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to know when I upload. Thank you.